The previous lessons covered the fundamentals of digital marketing analytics. In this video, we will proceed to Learning Unit 2, which is Digital Marketing Analytics from a marketing standpoint. In this learning unit, we will discuss critical questions throughout the user journey, map business objectives to marketing KPIs and metrics, understand the importance of digital marketing analytics and data optimization. Let's get started. When it comes to understanding analytics in digital marketing, the first thing you need to think about is the customer journey. Have you ever seen this funnel before? Do you know what it represents? Well, people usually purchase things in stages. These different stages represent a customer's journey towards making a purchase and advocating for a brand. It is shaped like a funnel based on the perceived audience sizes at each stage. As potential customers flow from one stage to another, the audience size gets smaller and smaller as parts of the audience drops off for various reasons. Beyond that, the funnel also helps you to illustrate the mindset of your potential customer at every stage. You can determine your brand positioning and how to reach out to your audience based on the mindset. In an ideal world, the journey people take to become loyal customers would be a continuous cycle. They need your product, they find your product, they buy and use your product, they talk about your product with others, and continue buying it for themselves. For example, if I were to develop an interest in photography, I would first want to know more about this hobby. I may spend time learning about various forms of photography and specific niches that appeal to my creative sense. I may learn I need a camera, the main tool for taking photos. This would make me realize a need for a device of my own. Based on this, I may research different available camera models suitable for me, weighing them on feature sets, brand trust and authority, warranty and equipment reliability, and even price. With this knowledge, I would then be ready to buy my own device. Only then I may invest in a camera from the brand that best appealed to my needs. Once I start taking photos of my own, I may want to engage with other photographers and share my own experience of using this camera by leaving a review, while also browsing through groups or forums to get tips from others who use the same brand. Of course, in reality, this journey isn't as straightforward as we'd like it to be. Your potential customers may need a lot more information and interaction with your brand at each stage of the journey before they move down the funnel. However, the key takeaway here is that you are able to understand your customer's mindset really well. You can develop a more refined customer journey to suit your specific audience's needs based on this. By knowing your customers well enough to understand their mindset during their customer journey with your brand, you set yourself up to better serve them and generate better results from your marketing. In the next video, we will be going through some digital marketing touchpoints that you can implement in your customer journey. See you there.